So hello and welcome to Casual Leaves. I'm here with an unboxing of a very rare plant that is from House of Miracle or Belief, now that the name is, and I have been waiting for this plant for the longest time. I ordered this on their WhatsApp chat. It's been a while, so I really do not remember the details of the seller. Was it a Thai seller or some other imported seller? Though it's an import plant. I pre-booked this a while ago. The plants came in, they got adjusted, quarantined, stabilized, all of that, and then we got them. So really excited to open this. It arrived this morning and let's get into it. The objective, of course, is to check the condition of the plant inside, talk about it, know and find out more about it, and see the quality, of course. The outside packaging looks fine. It's slightly dented and that's totally fine. The cardboard is of a very good quality, so I'm pretty sure that the plant is safe inside. I did get a chance to select this plant out of a couple of videos that were sent of the different saplings which were available. That's how it's looking inside, and okay, I can see it. There we go. Here we have it, and a little sneak peek there. So this is a hybrid of two very dramatic plants. I would say that they are by themselves. So it's going to be interesting to see how this specific hybrid behaves. With me, of course, I consider myself to be a complete beginner with both of these plants as individual parent plants. Okay, so let's see it here. Looks bigger, I would say, than I expected. I was actually expecting something very small, but this seems to be a decently moderate size. Like, it's not too small, not too big. So far looks completely healthy, looks completely fine. I'm guessing there's no damage whatsoever in transit, which is of course a speciality when you order from Belief. You can really believe the fact that the plant will arrive in good condition, and it has. So the packaging here is so nicely done. It's very nicely compact, and here we go. So yes, this is exactly the plant I selected. So this is of course an Anthurium hybrid of Anthurium Queen with Pap. That's the cross that I opted for. Looks brilliant. I selected this specific plant sample from the ones I had got to select from because the biggest leaf, if you see, has got very strong traits of the Queen, which is the venation and the shape overall. So that's the reason why I wanted to select this specific plant piece, and I'm quite glad we got to choose actually. And yep, let's open this bit too. Pap, of course, is a very difficult hybrid for me. I struggle with it a lot. I have one behind in the cabinet, and initially it did fine and then it didn't. I do have one more Pap cross and I struggle with it really badly. So I was a bit hesitant to get this, but the reason why I opted buying this plant is because me and my plant friend Drizzlesomegreen, we both wanted to buy a plant together and the same one, so that we could establish their growth and record their growth and document it all together. So we both are getting the same plant. I have seen the sample which she has selected. I'm excited for hers to come as well. I hope that mine does well too, because she is a pro and I know she'll do really well with it. Look at the roots here, you can see the roots coming out. So it's a very good quality plant, and that's the thing with imports. You get a good DNA in a plant, I would say, than buying something which may be easily available to you in local nurseries or local sellers, but an imported one is the main deal, you know. Can you see? Yeah, so the roots are all coming out, which is great. Lot of fruits in there, no damage, no pests. Very good quality plant. So very excited to grow this. So I think at this point, this is the rarest plant that I have. Rare and expensive too, in a way, if I can say. From the current purchases, I haven't been really buying new plants, and honestly this one was purely because both of us decided to get it, so I hopped on that train and got it too. I will definitely need to learn a lot more about this plant. At the moment, I'm not gonna do anything, and I'm just gonna put it in the cabinet to see how it does. I think, oh yes, it is pushing out a new leaf. There is a tiny new leaf on the way, right in between there. I don't think I'll be able to show that, but there is a new leaf on the way. So definitely not reporting this straight away anytime soon. I will, however, cover the open roots on top and put it in the cabinet and see how she does. Whatever will be the size of the new coming leaf will really be important for us to know how well the plant is establishing. And since the plant is clean of any pests or anything, I think it's safe to be kept inside. I can try and spray it with a solution, keep it out overnight also. That's the other thing I can do, so I'll think about that. But yes, that's all for now. Traits of the parents, of course, I just want to touch upon that. Queen has these narrow leaves with beautiful star veinations, and Pap has a velvety texture to it, which is what this will be unique for now, both the parent traits combined together. Look at this older dark leaf. It's super dark. May not show on the cam, but it is. So yes, that's it for this unboxing. Overall, really happy with the packaging for sure. Packaging with the leaf is really the best. And time of dispatch, of course, is an issue always with import plants because there's barely any control. So yes, you need patience when you're ordering plants from sellers which get it from imported nurseries, but that's totally worth the wait, I would say. And with that, let's wrap up this video. I hope you watched it till the end, and I hope you will continue watching to see the journey of this plant along with Drizzlesomegreen's plants, which her video also I'm going to link in the description and on the screen, so that we both can keep track of how the plants are growing for each one of us. And I hope you will subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.